How to delete multiple messages on Messenger on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete multiple messages on Messenger on Android. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, you need to open up your Messenger application. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So in order to delete a chat, you simply long press on the chat and you can see this delete option. But if you want to delete all together the messages, everything at once, what you can do is simply follow these steps. So you may just go to the menu bar here. After that, go navigate to the settings and scroll down until you are able to see report technical problems. So here just click on report anyway, or click on don't include if you want. It will say report a problem. So what you're gonna do here is simply copy and paste this text I'm showing on my screen right now that says, hello Facebook Messenger team, I want to delete all my conversation including all messages, so help me to delete all at once, and I'm waiting for your response. So you just need to copy this text. After that, simply send it to the Messenger customer care. After that, it says thanks, your feedback was we will consider your feedback, or something like that text. You just need to get back and wait for some days or hours, and Messenger should try help you to delete all of your messages at once. So therefore, follow this step and you should be able to delete all your messages at once at Messenger. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.